Welcome back, bogies. Friday, chicken casserole for tea tonight. Alright, welcome back. We had the last problem last time. We need to tweak this area slightly. To be honest, a big hammer would mostly just get away with doing enough. But I'm going to try and be a little bit more professional. Being professional would have actually tried the subframing earlier. But anyway, going to hopefully just fix this area, just tweak it slightly, should be able to do that. And then hopefully we're going to try and repair the battery box. And I think that'll be a good day for Friday. I've been a little bit busy today. Had a day off. So I've collected another project. I'm not going to go into any details just yet. I have posted a little video for the Patreons. If anybody wants to become a member, go check that out and you can see a quick preview of the project. But I'm just going to park it for now because obviously I've got this car, I've got lots of other stuff to do. And there's other plans I've got, but if anyone's interested, go check that out, see the link in the description. But otherwise, wait a few months and I will be posting a full video, and hopefully we'll be restoring that as well at some point, that project. But yeah, quite excited about that, always wanted one. So anyway, let's get on, take the subframe out, adjust this slightly, I've measured it, I know what I need to do, and let's crack on. Okay, managed to get the angle kind of in there just to slice it, so it's not a problem. Now check the gaps. Everything's looking a lot better now. I can easily work all that now. So we'll just weld this back up. Done, we'll move on. Would have been a lot worse if I'd already built all the side and put the floor on. Would have been a right pain in the arse. But it was at this stage I caught it just in time. So yeah, but don't be like me, catch it earlier please. And then yeah, all good. Alright, bit of a crazy day. You might have seen I've just changed clothes. It's come to the end of the day and I've run out of time. So we've got no more work done on this apart from move this into the right position, which at least is a good thing, and we made a progress. I did actually have the day off. As I said earlier, I've got a future project that I've purchased or have come by. But also, I think one of my clubs that I'm in, well, I founded the 16 valve mini club. I don't know if any of you know that, but there you go. The guy on there's organising a track day type thing in June, and I put my name down, but I don't actually have a race car, a mini race car, so I needed to build one. So in between doing this, by June we need to build ourselves a race car, so you guys are going to follow me along and watch me build a race car as well. No specific class, it's just going to be a mini, which is a race car. So I was sorting some of that out today as well, sorting out the donor vehicle, things like that, and I didn't get a chance to do any videoing just yet. It won't be a day-by-day video on that one, but I'll sort of just upload once a video every couple of weeks or something on the progress on that. But anyway, hopefully I'll try and get a video out next week of what the idea is, the plan about it, what I've got involved. But for now, so sorry, that's the way it is. Stay tuned. I will let you guys know in the very near future when I'm ready to show you what I got planned. I'll just show you a little picture at the end of this, just to give you a bit of a guessing thing. But yeah, I can tell you it's going to be a mini anyway. 4-wheel drive, turbo. I've got to beat my friend Jerry, you see, who's got 1.3 Swift all-wheel drive mini. But that don't go very fast, about 4 miles an hour. But anyway, that's it. Sorry guys. Have a good evening Friday night. I'm off to see Lewis Hamilton the musical tomorrow. Or I'm not going to go see it. I'm taking my family there, and I'm just going to go sit in a pub. So hopefully that'll be good. Then we're back on Sunday to crack on with some of this ready for Monday. So have a good weekend, guys. and look out for my future projects.